top of your plans and getting early signals on your team's focus is crucial. In DevRev, the sprint board is a powerful tool to help you track and manage sprints effectively. To get started, head over to the sprint board section, which is basically divided into two parts, that is active sprint boards and planned sprint boards. Active sprint board shows the sprints currently in progress, where your team is actively working on assigned issues, whereas the planned sprint boards display sprints that have been created and scheduled but haven't yet started. Within the sprint board, you can view sprint insights to gain real-time visibility into what your teams are actually working on rather than just tracking planned tasks. You can also create a new sprint board by clicking on the plus sprint option, filling in the necessary details, and hitting the create option to get started. This helps ensure you're always aligned with your team's priorities and progress.